Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to remove line background in Photoshop. Okay, so now let's go all together, right? So this is the text with the line background here. Now let's see, go to window and click select layer. Okay, and we duplicate layer, right? Okay, okay, and then we go to select and color range, and then select a shadow in black. Okay, and then okay, and go to select again, then click inverse, and then we go to bucket tool. Okay, paint bucket tool here, and we choose okay the color white. Okay, okay, mode in here. Yes. Okay, so now and then we apply here. Okay, if you apply one time cannot remove, so we have to apply more until the line disappear, right? Okay, so now the line okay behind the tag is disappear, and then we go to select, we deselect. Okay, now look at the image here, right? Okay, now look at the original image like this and the new image. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you want to see more video, please don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel as well. Right? Okay, thank you. Bye bye.